just got this brand new coffee maker and I'm very excited to test it out because I absolutely love fresh espresso, fresh coffee, and this is gonna help me not have to go to the coffee shop all the time. I can make it right at home. So it has a lot of different features, which I'm gonna show you, but some of my favorite things are the frothing function. It has a milk frother that is going to froth your milk to the perfect temperature. It also has a touch screen that is really easy to use and very nice and easy to clean as well. It also has a 50-ounce removable water tank that's really easy to clean too. And that water tank is actually 50 ounces is gonna help you make a lot of different coffees. So you don't have to be worrying about filling it all the time. It is so big that it'll fill perfectly. So I am gonna open it up and keep telling you a little bit about what this coffee maker espresso machine can do. So if you love lattes, if you love cappuccinos, this is going to make all of those for you thanks to that milk frother. It's also going to make your crema to a perfect 197 degrees because it has temperature intelligence. So as you can see, I'm just showing you the user manual while we're talking about the coffee maker. So this user manual is just going to show you all the little details about how to set it up. Comes with everything you need right here, and you can get the coffee maker going in no time. It also has a nice warranty card here, so you can take that, and if you need to use the warranty, there is that as well. And you can see it's really nicely packaged. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the box and then tell you a little bit more about the machine. Okay, so here is the espresso machine out of the box. Everything was packaged really nicely. I just unwrapped everything so you could see it really easily. So you can see right here is that LED screen. So it's all completely touch screen, no need to clean any buttons. You can just wipe this off and it'll be perfectly clean. Here is the milk frother on the side. So this kind of is adjustable, so you can move it around a little bit and get it really centered under your cup. Here is a stainless steel tray, and this is also removable. So once your espresso comes out, you can catch any drips in here, and you can take this off and easily clean it. It also just lifts off right here. So if you have a taller cup that needs to fit under here, you can take this piece off. For a shorter cup or an espresso cup, you can put that on, but that is totally customizable as well, so you can get your favorite cup under this machine. Up here is where the espresso is going to come out of, but you will need to use this espresso holder. And this came with the machine also, and it also came with an espresso tamper. So you're gonna fill the espresso in there, press it down, pack it really, really tight, and then it hooks onto the machine up here, which I will show you as well. But this also comes out, so if you wanted to do a double espresso, you can use this large one. If you wanted to use this single espresso, you can use this one instead. So you just take out and fill it up to the amount of espresso that you need. So up top, so this is actually going to heat up while your machine is heating up. So when this is hot, you can put your cups up top here, and this is gonna help keep your cups warm. And when your cups are warm, it's gonna keep your espresso warm and keep that crema actually smooth for extra long. So you wanna store all your cups up here. I love that little extra feature. So on the side here is the on-off knob, and this is going to be for the milk frother. So when you're ready to turn on the frother, you're just gonna turn it, twist it on, twist it off. And back here is that 50-ounce water tank, that big, big water tank that I was talking about before. Comes right off, and you can fill it up easily. You can clean it really easily. So many great features to this machine. So I'm gonna test it out, make an espresso, and see how it works. So I plugged in the machine, and all the lights immediately were lit and ready to go. I filled my espresso machine holder with the espresso and tamped it down, so you want to get it really nice and tightly packed so that you have a nice hot powerful drink. Then I selected a double espresso, and all you had to do is just press the button one time, and you could hear the machine start to kind of rumble, and you could hear that it was extracting water and heating up. And I chose the double because that is how much espresso I used. If you used a single, you can just press the single. If you want to use the single setting and press the double, then you'll get kind of a lighter drink. But then it started pouring out right away. You can see it really nice and rich, very creamy right there. This was one of the creamiest espressos I have ever had. Definitely got all that pressure from those 20 bars, and it was amazing. So as you can see, it was just really as simple as pressing the button one time, and it worked amazing.